Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this informative yet entertaining topic about SS31 peptide. I'm sure many of you are wondering what in the world is SS31 peptide. It is a new superfood or a magic pill? Well, have no fear because I'm here to shed some light on this mysterious peptide. First off, let's break down SS31 peptide. SS stands for specific sequence and 31 represent the number of amino acid in this peptide. Now you might be wondering what the heck is peptide? Essentially, it's a short chain of amino acid, the building blocks of protein that have specific function in our body. But enough of this science talk. Let's get to the good stuff. So what makes SS31 peptide so special? Well, it turns out that this little peptide has some amazing anti-aging property. And no, it's not a fairy tale or a scam. It's actually backed by scientific research. SS31 peptide works by targeting and protecting the mitochondria, which are essentially the powerhouse of our cell. As we age, our mitochondria start to dysfunction, leading to numerous health problems including premature aging. But not with SS31 peptide. It helps to keep mitochondria functioning properly, thus slowing down the aging process. But that's not all. This peptide also has other benefits such as improving cognitive function, increasing energy level, and protecting against heart diseases and stroke. It's like one-stop shop for all our age-related problems. Now I know what you might be thinking. This sounds too good to be true. But trust me, it's no hoax. In fact, SS31 peptide has been extensively studied and has received FDA approval for its safety and effectiveness. So there you have it, folks, the incredible SS31 peptide. Who would have thought that such a small molecule has such a big impact on our health and well-being? So the next time you hear about this peptide, you'll know exactly what it is and how it can benefit you. Make sure you talk to the provider who is educated on peptide. I hope you enjoyed this video about SS31 peptide. Now go out there and spread the word about this game-changing peptide. Comment below if you have more questions. Thanks for listening. See you in the next one.